Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see it by the brand right here on top. And basically what this is a glass screen protector for the brand new iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. But first thing first is actually open up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes out of the package first. So it's definitely really nice how they have the wrapper on here, so it's like brand new, so you guys know that it's not like used or tampered. Alright, so just remove this part right here. Just like that. Alright, so when you guys take it out, this is basically what it looks like right here. Nothing else inside. So this is basically what it looks like when you guys open up the product itself. So they provide you guys the actual glass screen protector inside here, and then they provide you guys the actual wet wipes and everything on here. So like the wet wipes, the cloth, and also the probably dust remover tape. So they provide you guys 2 of these and 2 of the glass screen protector as well. They provide you guys a little installation guide to teach you guys how to set up correctly. They provide you guys a little thank you and warranty card right here. And then they provide you guys this accessory right here. So they provide you guys this accessory, which is pretty awesome, so that way it's gonna have a perfect fit every single time. And then you guys also use this to kind of apply it on. So once you guys put on the screen protector like in one direction, let it slowly slide down. You guys can use this to kind of apply it down slowly like that. So it's definitely really cool. Or you can go like this to apply on slowly as well. But you guys shouldn't really need this if you guys apply on correctly, going by one side, slowly letting it stick onto the actual iPhone itself. Something to actually note about the product itself is the fact that it is supposed to be anti-shatter. So that means the glass screen protector itself should be shatter-proof. It's also anti-fingerprint, and also it is anti-scratch. So if you guys do end up scratching it, it shouldn't have any issues. And obviously the quality of the actual screen protector shouldn't have any issue. You should still be able to use the camera, and you should have like a high quality image regardless of having the screen protector on or off. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me show you guys a quick test of the product itself on how to actually apply it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have everything here. Let's apply it on. So first thing you want to do is take off the wet wipes right here. So they give us the wet wipes here, the cloth, and then the dust absorber right here. So we got the wet wipes right here. Let's wipe it down. Wipe down everything on here first. And then we're gonna use the little cloth that they have here. So make sure to wipe it in one motion like this, so that way you guys don't have any of the dust sticking on. Because if you guys like scrub it like this, it might not clean it correctly. And then once you're done, put this on one side. I do recommend putting this one on here first. Snap it in place like that. And then you guys want to take this one out as well, so you guys can have everything ready first. So have this ready, have that ready, and then have this one ready as well. And then you guys can use the dust absorber right here to remove any of the dust if there is any on the actual screen on the iPhone, just like this. Alright, so that should be good. Let's take this out, and then we can apply it on. So you just want to just go like this. Have this ready right here, and also have this one ready. So what you guys want to do is that when you guys apply it on, make sure it fits correctly first, and then you guys can just go like this. Slowly push it down as you go, and eventually you guys can just let go just like this. And then you guys can fix any of the bubble if there is any, just like that. And then that's basically what it looks like. If you can see, a perfect fit. There should not be any bubbles on here. And if you guys look really carefully for the glass screen protector, it's pretty thin. You barely can even see it. But it does have the full coverage even for the camera itself on top. You guys see right there. Let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Alright, so we have it turning on. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like once it's turned on. You guys can see everything looks really, really nice. Definitely really nice to have an extra layer of protection for the glass, even though it does have the brand new ceramic shield technology or material. So it's definitely really nice how they provide you guys this and this, so it makes it a lot easier for you guys to apply it on. Having this definitely helps a lot. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself on how to apply it on. You guys can see it's super easy to apply it on if you guys follow all the instructions, starting from the wet wipe to the dry cloth to the dust absorber tape. If you guys use all that correctly and apply the actual phone correctly using this accessory right here and going by one direction instead of just applying it on directly, and just let it slowly apply on from one direction to the other, you guys should have a perfect fit every single time. And obviously the image quality and everything on here still works pretty well, so let me show you guys a quick portrait mode of using this screen protector on. So I'm going to take a quick photo using the front facing camera to show you guys what the quality looks like. So this is basically what it looks like when you guys have the front facing camera with the glass screen protector on. So you can see from the photo itself, the quality is not affected at all. It's still high quality. Videos, photos, everything should be the same. You definitely get like a full on coverage on top of the ceramic shield glass that they already have on their brand new iPhone 12 phones. But now that we do quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously every single time when I test any kind of like cases or screen protectors, I always will have to say that it's worth it to get any kind of like screen protector to protect your glass. Even though they have the brand new ceramic shield on the brand new iPhone 12, it's still always nice to have extra protection because you never know if you guys need it or not. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys want or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have those for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have